Hello, Morris Bain, Technical Director at EcoMaster with you once again, and today I want to share with you the blueprint for kissing your energy bills goodbye. And we're going to start right there in the middle with energy analysis. So before you do anything physical, seek to understand how much energy you're using and exactly where it's going. You might need some tools for that, and we're going to go through those in a separate video. So once you've understood exactly where your energy is going, you can think about maybe replacing some of those energy hungry appliances. And one of the things you should be thinking about is possibly fuel switching. If you're using gas, there are no efficient gas appliances. At very best, gas furnaces are about 90% efficient, and then there are losses in the ducting, but a lot of gas furnaces out there are 70% or less efficient. Compare and contrast that with efficient split systems, which are about 500% efficient, and you begin to get the idea. So switching over to an all-electric home is actually a great way of improving efficiency. So the next thing is we want to think about thermal efficiency of our home, because it's okay to have efficient heating and cooling appliances, because in a lot of places that's really the majority of our energy use in a home. But by improving the thermal efficiency of the actual building, you can vastly reduce the amount of energy that you're using for heating and cooling and improve the indoor comfort as well. And that's of course what EcoMaster specialise in. So that's the third step. After that, go for it, it's solar panel time, but by this time you've got a really good handle on how much solar panel capacity you actually need on your home in order to offset all the energy that you're going to need. So that's the next step, and you might think about also which directions you might want the panel. So you might want east and west, or you might want all of them on the north. It just depends on your pattern of use and of course what roof space you have available. And finally, the final step is the energy storage, the batteries, which is the flavour of the month, of course. But I would suggest that it's very early days still for batteries. We're only up to the Tesla version 2 after all, and who knows how many versions are yet to come. And also, more importantly, there's a lot of tests going on around the countryside with microgrids and virtual grids, and they're all testing basically how to use energy storage in individual homes for the greater good. And so I think it's prudent actually to wait and see what happens with those tests and to see what kind of models appear, because there may be actually some subsidies for energy storage in the future. So unless you're an early adopter, in which case go for it. Otherwise, if you're a bit more prudent, maybe wait a little longer with the energy storage. Now you'll notice on the bottom that there's changing habits, and certainly there's no doubt that by changing habits you can save an enormous amount of energy. The thing is this, that it's very easy to regress to old habits. I know, I've done it myself. So that's not a good strategy for me, but it might be a good strategy for you. In any case, there it is. That's the blueprint for kissing your energy bills goodbye, and that's it for today.